In Shabbat Vayigash, Yosef is, in a sense, torturing his brothers. He has got Shimon, he put him in jail, he made bringing Benjamin a condition of coming back for more food. He then traps Benjamin with the cup placed in his sack of supplies. And Yehuda has the job of approaching Yosef and begging with him that he should try to be sympathetic and understand the position that they're in and realize that they are not attacking him and that they are innocent people who have been framed. Yosef initially is implacable, and then finally he capitulates, bursts into tears, and hugs everybody, and all is made up. What is the point of this exercise? Was it, as some people say, a necessary process that Joseph had to go through in order to see whether the brothers had repented for having sold him? Or was it a necessary act that he had to go through in order to assert his authority and his power and to make sure that now they would accept his power? Throughout the Torah, we have examples of nisayon, of God testing us. And the question is, what does it mean to test us the way he tested Abraham? The way that almost everybody gets tested. Is it to see how good they really are? Didn't God know in advance that Abraham was so good? Didn't Yosef know in advance that this was all part of some divine plan, that it was there to rescue the children of Israel, to make them go through a process of being forged through the fire of Egypt to create a new identity? What do we mean by being tested? And the truth of the matter is, we are all of us constantly being tested in life. We have to go through difficult things, difficult challenges. People get sick, people die, we lose jobs, we lose partners. Life is constantly a matter of being tested. And our task is to learn how to cope with the test as best we can. And so, in effect, this test was of the brothers, for them to go through the agonies that they made other people go through, in order to see if they had changed and if they would be able to accept authority. But it was also a test of Yosef. Yosef now has power. How often do people with power abuse that power, misuse that power, use it to torture or to influence other people in ways that are probably not ethical? And so this was an example to see how far Yosef would go and whether he realized in the end that he was abusing his power or not. This is life, and we have to cope with the tests and survive them.